In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook Messenger notification sound on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Messenger app on your iPhone. Just make sure that Messenger app is updated on your iPhone. Now tap three horizontal lines at the top left side. Next, tap gear icon to access settings. Here you will find an option Notifications and Sounds. Just tap on it. On Notifications and Sounds page, tap Text Tone. At present, Pop Ding sound is selected, which is default sound. You can choose from these 7 notification sounds. Let's select Pop Swing sound. And once done, simply go back, and there is no need to save anything, and your Messenger notification sound is changed now. So that is how you can change Facebook Messenger notification sound on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.